Okay, welcome back. Tuesday, April 7th. Okay, now I'm making this video right afterwards, but I'm not posting it until Wednesday. Okay, half a dozen of you actually responded and sent me photos, okay, or emailed me back that you were able to finish the Ken puzzle. This was a little harder than last week's. It was a 5x5, and it included add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Remember the theory of a Ken puzzle, kind of a cross between PEMDAS and Sudoku. 1 through 5, 1 through 5 on all the rows, 1 through 5, 1 through 5 on all the columns. Okay? All right. So I left you with this had to be a 3. That was the only gimme of the bunch. Okay? We talked about this 4 2 2 1, 4 2 2 1, 5 1 5 1 1 5, right? I should have given you this one too, because the only thing that subtracts the 2, 5 and 3, 4 and 2, that's not very easy either, is it? Okay? This one 5 4, 4 5. Okay, so what I always do is I just try to take a guess. Okay, I just pick a set and then start to work it. Okay, so I'm seeing 1s and 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. I'm going to just start out with a 4, 2, 3, 5, 4. Let's assume I got this right. The only thing left would be a 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've accomplished those, and I accomplished that. Okay? Now, we've got to move over a little bit here. And what makes a 3? Ooh, 2 1 1 2. So two 1 or a 1 2, right? We got a 4. What are things that multiply to be 10? 5 2 2 5. So 5 2 or 2 5. This was going to be a 2 and a 1 or a 1 and a 2. This has to be 2 5 or 5 2. So let's just go 5 2, which eliminates the 1 2. Okay? And this has to be 3 3. Dude, had to be 3 1, right? If this has to be a 1, that has to be a 3. 1, 4, 5, 2, 4. Now we don't know. 5 2 2 5. This has to be 5 2 or 2 5, and it depends on over here. Okay, so this is going to take a while. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Yep. Yep. Okay. All right. Now, things that make a 1 minus. 5 4, but we already got a 4. But it could be 4 5, right? We're missing a 3. 4 3, 2 3, but the 2's already gone. What if we make What if we make that 5, 1? And then we just kind of guess a 3. Got the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we put the 5 there, 4, 3, maybe. That means this has to be a 5 to make a 16. Wow, they got to be big numbers for 16s, huh? Assuming this had to be a 3, this has to be a 4. Things that multiply to be 6. Wow, we're going to have some 1s in there. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay. Wow. We started here. We did a little guessing and checking over here. This works. But now we got to verify if the math turns out. Okay? So let's just write them in. Okay. All right. So we're happy with 1 through 5 in every row and every column. Now let's check the math. 4 divided by 2, check. 5 times 2, check. 3, check. 5 minus 4, check. 2 plus 1, check. 3 minus 2, check. 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4, check. 4 minus 3, check. 2 times 3 times 1, check. 3 and a 4, check. 5 and 4, check. Now, there was some math for you, okay? Ken puzzles. Hopefully you looked at yesterday and you saw all those different links and you tried some online games and word searches, all right? So, we're kind of a cross between Tuesday, April 7th. This was like an answer key video tutorial on how my mind thinks. And we're heading into Wednesday, and we're going back to volumes and shapes. Okay? Thursday, leading into Thursday. Thursday, I wrote journal day. Okay? Where you're writing a journal about this school closure. We're 3 weeks in, 3 weeks to go. Where are you? What are you feeling? I think it'd be neat if you journaled about this experience, because 30 years from now, dig it out, show it to the kids, the grandkids, because they're not going to believe it. They're not going to believe that we were self-quarantined, all right? So, I'll see you officially Wednesday morning, April 8th. I hope you're willing to try this. Go online, pick a different one.